Hello student. Okay, so in my last video there was some homework questions for you. Okay, so let's solve that questions first. Okay, so our first question was, in which situation the displacement of an object can be zero. Okay, this was our first question. Now see the answer. In which situation the displacement can be zero? Displacement is what? The shortest distance between the initial and final point is called its displacement. Okay. And in which situation the displacement is zero? Only when the initial and final point will be same. Then the displacement can be zero. So, in which kind of motion the initial and final point is same? In the circular motion. Okay, so your answer is, in a circular motion the initial and final point will be same, so displacement is zero, because the in the circular motion the initial and final point is same. Okay, so this is your answer. Now see, the next question was, write down the difference between distance and displacement. Okay, so see the difference between distance and displacement. The first difference is, the distance is the length of actual path traveled by a body. The total distance or the length of actual path traveled by the body is called the distance. And displacement, the shortest distance between initial and final point, or the shortest length between initial and final point is called the displacement. Okay, now see the next one. The distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. ओके, होमवर्क में ये वाले एक पॉइंट सारे लोगों ने लिखा था. सो गुड, इट्स वेरी गुड. ठीक है, सी द नेक्स्ट डिफरेंस. इट रिमेन पॉजिटिव. ओके, सिंस डिस्टेंस इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी एंड स्केलर क्वांटिटी इज ऑलवेज positive. Okay, and vector quantity, displacement is a vector quantity, so it can be positive, negative, and it can be zero only when the displacement is zero for a circular motion, or when the initial and final point is same, then the displacement is zero. ठीक है, फॉरवर्ड मोशन में अगर कोई चीज़ जा रही है तो displacement will be positive, and for the backward motion the distance is negative. Displacement is negative, and distance cannot be negative, it always positive. Okay, now see the next difference. Distance can be equal to displacement. Okay, distance can be equal to displacement when the distance and displacement will be equal for a linear path. Suppose this is a linear path. Okay, so starting point is A and final point is B. So for this path the distance is AB and the displacement is also AB. So distance can be equal to displacement, or distance is always equal and greater than to the displacement. Distance cannot be lesser than to displacement. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस कभी भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट से छोटा नहीं होगा, क्योंकि डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज ऑलरेडी अ शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इनिशियल एंड फाइनल पॉइंट. ओके, सो डिस्टेंस कैन नॉट बी लेसर देन डिस्प्लेसमेंट. नाउ सी, displacement can be equal to the distance for the linear path, or it's lesser than distance. ठीक है, displacement can be lesser than distance, but distance cannot be lesser than displacement. Okay, because displacement is already a shortest distance. ठीक है, and distance is the total path, and the total path cannot be lesser than the shortest distance. That's why the distance cannot be lesser than the displacement. Are you getting me all? Now displacement cannot be greater than distance. Okay, now see, the next question was, if the path covered by a body is 25 kilometer, then what will be its distance? Obviously 25 kilometer. Okay, so because the distance is the total path covered by the body, so total path is given, so distance is given in the question. Now see the next question. Find out the displacement. Okay, this was your question and you have to find out the displacement. So here displacement is what? Obviously AC. ठीक है, और बहुत सारे लोगों ने सिर्फ ए सी लिख के छोड़ दिया था. नो, यू हैव टू अप्लाई पाइथागोरस थ्योरम एंड फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए सी हियर. ओके, सो बाय अप्लाइंग द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम ए सी इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम? हाइपोटेनियस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर. और हाइपोटेनियस इज इक्वल टू, अगर हम लोग स्क्वायर को इस तरफ लेके जाते हैं, अगर हम लोग स्क्वायर को ट्रांसपोज करते हैं, देन इट विल बी अ अंडर रूट. Okay, and what do you mean by root? Root means raised to power 1 by 2. ठीक है, C root means raised to power 1 by 2. जैसे अगर हम लोग 2 को इक्वल के इस तरफ लेके जाएं, इट विल बी 1 by 2 ना, मतलब जैसे कि सपोज 2x. okay, then x if 2x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 by 2 only. ठीक है, इफ यू ट्रांसपोज 2 देन इट विल बी 1 by 2. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग इस स्क्वायर को ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो वो दूसरी तरफ, अगर किसी की पावर स्क्वायर है तो दूसरी तरफ जाके क्या हो जाएगा, 1 by 2. ओके, सो 1 by 2 ना लिख के हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं, अंडर रूट. अंडर रूट मीन्स पावर 1 by 2. सो पी स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, परपेंडिकुलर का स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर. ओके, so by applying Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to under root AB square plus BC square. What is the value of AB? 4 kilometer. What is the value of BC? 5 kilometer. Okay, so 4 square plus 5 square. What is 4 square? 16. 5 square 25. 16 plus 25 is equal to 6 plus 5 11. 41. Okay, so your answer is under root 41 kilometer. Okay, so this video is for your homework. Thank you so much.